Well, a big 3rd and 5 here. 19-0 could become a reality if they stop this play. Pocket collapses. Eli looks like he's going to go down. Seymour's got him. Green's got him. Somehow Eli escapes. He throws the ball downfield, and it is it's caught. It's caught. Who's 85? Who's number 85? David what? Tyree, I believe is the name. David Tyree catches a ball. Rodney Harrison picks the worst time to be a f***ing Can't even tackle him. It's like he's f***ing rocking him to bed. Like, oh, hey, Davey Tyree, here's your lullaby. Go to f***ing sleep, wicked f***ing completes a pass on the top of his head, and it's going to be 1st and 10 Giants from the 25. The f*** was Vrabel doing on that play? God Seymour, what the f***, Dickie? You can't make a god tackle when the game's on the line? And there's Rodney Harrison getting you humiliated, and I'll be god that's a catch.